Alright, this is Saisir. Today I have here the unboxing of Fitbit tracker and how you how to set up this Fitbit tracker. So this is a Fitbit one. This is the Ace 3 model. Actually, this one can be used for people who want to use this fitness tracker or for children above the age of 6. So now we have the strap. I have already wrapped this up. Let's see what we get. So I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna like this. Just put like this. Okay. Sorry, I'm just recording this on a mobile. Okay. So we have the Fitbit tracker, and we have some documents, which I think is something related to that. Okay, we have the charger. Okay. So let's see what we get again. Again, we get some manuals. Right, so we get a okay, so I'm gonna move this. Okay, so yeah, so we get this thing right here, this one, and that's not it. Yeah, that's not it. Okay, so we get the Fitbit product information, like just tells you how to troubleshoot and like that. Supports Android and iOS actually. So just yeah. Okay, I'll just for kids use +6 contains nickel, requires use of Fitbit app compatible with iPhone or Android devices. Okay, it says water resistance, so that should be the best job. Like say if your kid is like bit prone to water resistance, so that's it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this one. I'm just gonna take the wrapper. Gonna take the wrapper and yeah, so I'm just doing this because the wrapper cannot be okay. So I've got the wrapper, right? First impressions, it's going to be great. Okay, I think this is the one you turn. I'm not okay. Alright, so this is the first impressions of that just setting up it. So I'll just connect this to a charger. Actually, so I'm going to connect this to a cable, and then I'll just show you. So I'm just gonna take the cable out. Sorry, this okay, actually this is the one. Just remove the strap. That the strap is just okay. So this is just the. I'm just gonna. This has that that magnetic one. Magnetic one right here. This just has. Okay, so I'm going to compare this to one of the bands that I have. I just keep it aside for a second, and then just compare. Just get my watch. I have the Mi Band 5, I think this is 5, yeah, 5, Mi Band 5, I think, Mi Band 5, just see, they remain the same, the difference is both of them have straps. So this is a blue one, that's black one. So yeah, so thanks for watching this video. This is just unboxing of the Fitbit Ace 3. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. This is Sai Siddharth signing off. And one more thing to forget is that I will be very busy, so I've just managed to put some time off. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, which is book and tech reviews. Thanks for watching.